Yo, what is going on, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in to another video. I'm starting it off a little late, so right now I'm headed to the homie Diego's house because my charge pipe and blow-off valve for the BMW just came in. So yeah, I'm headed over there right now to put them on real quick. He used to have a E90, a 335, so he's really familiar with the N54 engine and all that stuff. So yeah, I wanted him to help me out with this, putting it on. I've never had obviously a 335, so I'm not too familiar with it. And yeah, I got all the stuff back here. Got the charge pipe from ECS tuning. And yeah, I'll pick up the camera again in a little bit once I do get over to his house and we start putting it on. Once again, if you guys are new here, I'm Adrian. I make videos on my 2018 Mustang and my BMW 335i. See you guys in a little bit. Diego's old 335. This is his old 335. He blew the turbos, so now it's just been sitting here till he gets it fixed. But he's got a 502. You guys have seen this one in the videos. It's his right here. We got the charge pipe, the E90. So you got to remove all this part, this, get rid of the air box. And then that's the stock charge pipe. Shout out to ECS Tuning for the charge pipe and blow-off valve. Alright, we got the stock air box out. Shout out to the homie Diego right here for helping me out. They call me F54 Daddy. And that's the stock one right there. All right, and then they include right here. These things. These?
Yeah, take that line out. We're gonna disconnect these. So these are gonna connect together like that, and then this is the one that's gonna connect to your actual blow valve.
Oh, okay. Wow, can't wait to hear it, dude. All the cool turbo noises. So we didn't have to remove any of this stuff. Alright guys, so the blow-off valve and the charge pipe are now on. I'm stoked. It sounds so sick. I'm gonna let the homie Diego take it for a spin real quick. Like I said, he used to have one that was full bolt-ons. That thing was fast as fuck. But his turbos blew out, so yeah, hasn't driven it in a while.